Hello everyone, and welcome. Tibetan housing culture is not simply about architecture, it is the result of a long, careful negotiation between humans and one of the harshest environments on Earth. High altitude, extreme cold, fragile ecosystems, and deep spiritual belief. For centuries, Tibetans developed ways of living that were functional, ethical, and environmentally grounded. Today, that system is being rapidly dismantled. According to legend, the earliest black tents were made from bison hide. Historically, Tibetan housing began with cave dwellings, then evolved into tents and permanent houses. These forms were not random. They embodied survival knowledge refined over generations. Traditional Tibetan housing can be broadly divided by way of life. In agricultural river valleys, especially along the Yarlung Changpo, stone and wood fortified houses dominate. Thick walls store heat, flat roofs conserve energy. Many are built directly into mountainsides to resist wind, cold, and earthquakes. These are not monuments, they are ecological solutions. In the pastoral regions of northwestern Tibet and eastern Kham and Amdo, black tents woven from yak hair represent one of the most sophisticated nomadic housing technologies in human history. They are lightweight, breathable, weather-resistant, and mobile, allowing seasonal migration without exhausting the land. And importantly, black tents are not uniquely Tibetan. They appear across Central Asia, the Middle East, and North Africa. Nomadic architecture is a shared human heritage. In forested regions of southeastern Tibet, timber houses prevail. In semi-agricultural, semi-pastoral zones, earthen and timber hybrids emerge. These are not signs of underdevelopment, but evidence of ecological intelligence and adaptation. The Potala Palace represents the most concentrated expression of Tibetan architectural knowledge. It unites political authority, religious power, and defense. Yet today, it is often reduced to a visual symbol, consumed as an image, stripped of its cultural meaning. Everyday Tibetan homes also contain deep symbolic elements. South-facing orientation captures solar heat. White walls reflect light. Prayer flags, yak horns, and painted doors express relationships with the natural world. These are not decorations. They encode an entire worldview. Modern construction, however, has introduced concrete, steel, and glass. Often imposed through state-led housing projects, these materials are energy-intensive, environmentally destructive, and poorly suited to high altitude. Traditional materials come from the land. Concrete does not. Modern housing programs sever the relationship between people and place. Uniform designs erase regional diversity. Permanent settlement undermines nomadic mobility. Improvement becomes a euphemism for control, while sustainability is sacrificed for political symbolism. What is being lost is a system of knowledge, how to live without dominating the land. Tibetan housing reminds us to build with restraint and humility. Its destruction should be questioned as a failure of modern imagination. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and join us again next Wednesday.